Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So here we'll be doing the fourth part of fractions, and that is to subtract each of these ones. Now subtraction just works like addition. All you have to do is make the denominator the same and then subtract the top parts. So let's pause this and have a go first, but otherwise I'm going to go through as it is. So part A, what do we have? So we got 1/8 minus 1/8. What's that going to be? So because they have the same denominator, so we just do 1 take away 1 would be 0/8. And because you have 0 over something, anything that's 0 is automatically nothing. So that's okay. Now, 2/3 take away 1/6. So for this problem, you can see that the denominators are not the same. So one way to do this is to kind of force the left side, the first fraction, to be over 6. And the way to make it over 6 is to double the figures. So if we double the 3 and 2, what do we get? So let's double this here, times 2. We should get 4/6. Okay, and now we can subtract 1/6. And 4 take away 1 is 3/6. And once again, 3/6 is actually the same as half. Sweet. Now, part C. You got 3/8, 3/18 minus 1/3. So for here, we need to raise 3 to 18. And we can do that by multiplying the second fraction by 6. So let's do that. Let's multiply all these guys by 6. So now what we're going to have? We're going to have 3/18 minus, and timesing the right side by 6, you can get 6/18. Okay, so one thing to know is that you can get a negative fraction, okay? So that does exist. So what do we have? So we've got 3 take away 6 is minus 3/18. And then simplifying this, because they both go to 3, you can get minus 1/6. And that's it. Now, part D, what do we have? So this one's quite easy. So we just want to raise the second fraction to over 8. We need to make this 4 into an 8. We can do that by doubling the fraction. So we can do 3/1/8 minus, and then double the second fraction, we're going to get 2/8. Remember, you leave the whole numbers alone, yeah, as always. And now one thing to note is that we're going to have a bit of a problem here, a bit of an imbalance. True, 1/8 take away 2/8 is minus 1/8. You can actually do that. But the best way to do this, I suppose, is to make them both improper and then deal with it later. So to make it an improper fraction, the trick is to times the 3 by 8 and add it to the top, which is 1. So 3 times 8 is 24, add 1 is 25/8 minus, same trick here. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 2 is 10/8. And now we can easily subtract this. So 25 take away 10 is 15/8. And to convert back to mixed fraction, you ask yourself, how many times does 8 go to 15? Well, it goes exactly once with remainder 7. And then this will be 1/7/8. Easy, very easy. Alright, so part E now, guys. So same thing applies. So now we've got 1/8 take away 4 1/4. Ooh, painful this one. So once again, I would convert these to improper first. Actually, I'll convert the second fraction firstly to over 8. So what we could do is multiply second by 8. So this would be 2/8. And now, doing what we did earlier, that is making it improper. We can do 1 times 8 is 8 plus 1 will give us 9/8 minus, and same thing, 4 times 8 is 32, add 2 is 34/8. Okay, not bad. Now 9 take away 34. Let's see. So I usually just do 34 take away 9. But if you're not sure, remember, always do it the other way around, and then you should get plus 25. So because it's smaller, it'll be negative 25/8. And again, how many times does 8 go into 25? Well, it goes exactly 3 times. So it'll be 3 times with 1 remainder. I put the minus outside because it's just to tidy up the fraction. Okay, so remember, this whole thing is a big negative number. Okay, so let's move on, yeah? So the final one, part F, what do we have? So we've got 9/10 minus 9/100. I would just times the first fraction by 10 to make it the same. And now, subtracting this, 90 take away 9 is the same, which will give us 81/100. And then subtracting 1/100 will give us 80/100. And then dividing by 10, we'll get 8/10. Dividing by 2 will give us 4/5. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped, and let me know if you want to see any more problems.